Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted and never get in and out of plays. Also, get your free start from down below. Hit me up for a 15-minute, 30-minute phone call, guys. Change your whole perspective on the market. Full of value, full of gems. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Jump right into it. Share our opinion on the overall market. Quick update, a few stocks that I know you guys is looking at. Also, bring them up, look at them, analyze them real quick, and get you guys up out of here, and also just see what's going on in the overall market. As we know, inflation data was reported on yesterday. Inflation has cooled off, but don't let that trick you guys. Hyperinflation is coming. The American dollar is losing its value at a rapid pace. Since 1913, the American dollar has lost over 96% of its value. That's likely over 96 plus years ago. That's likely on average about 1% a year. But don't think like that, because now it's losing as fast as ever. That's why the acceleration of AI, artificial intelligence, people replacing employees with robots, and all this stuff is happening at an alarming rate. Everything, they hit you at all these different angles. Palm scanning, all this stuff is all coming, and it's coming super fast within the next, by the end of this year. By the end of this year, the world going to be totally different from what we already seeing it, guys. Stuff is going to be built fast. You're going to be like, how it's going to happen that fast? Just as back in the day when you seen the Dollar General getting built, it used to take a year after you see, hey, coming soon by next year. It took a while. And then it started being 3-4 months. And now you see coming soon by next month, the next 4 weeks is already built. And eventually you'll see coming soon, it'll be a week. And it'll be up, and then it'll be a day. And that's how the evolution of the world gonna happen fast. But anyway, it's too much for your ears. The ones that get it. I don't know how I get off topic like that, but that's information though. You guys want to know, like, the world is moving, it's changing fast. You want to be investing in crypto. You want to have cash. Some places, even though everything going digital and stuff, it's still going to be some places that just accept cash. That's racking up on, they stockpiling cash. I went to Wendy's the other day. They weren't accepting nothing but cash. I almost couldn't get my food if I ain't have cash up there in my have cash. I have little hiding spots all over the place. I stick a 20. I just stick 20s all over the place. Just so I always, for moments like that, I just had money. I just had it somewhere. I got to keep it tucked off somewhere. So go ahead and get you some, baby. So get some. You want some? Yeah. Want to say hey? Oh, you don't want to say hey today? Okay. Go ahead. Eat your food. So stocks rise as another report points to cooling inflation, guys. So another report pointed to inflation is cooling now, but like I said, this is just a setup. This is to help them to get that spike. Like I told you guys, they need a crazy spike to occur in the market, which I already was calling, which I already seen was going to happen, in order for them to bring the market back down even lower, guys. But they ain't got leverage to do that from where the market previously was, because stocks was already down over 80-90% from $200-$300 down to $20. It ain't much more crashing you could have did to them. So those stocks need to go from 20 to 60 and then have a crazy panic, or 20 to back to 100. You get what I'm saying? But that's what they're trying to do right here. So stocks jumped Thursday with big tech leading as traders cheered another report pointing to cooling U.S. inflation. The Dow Jones rose 119 points, the S&P 500 0.6%, the NASDAQ advanced 1.3%. Tech stocks outperformed, with both the communication services and information technology sectors among the notable gainers in the S&P 500. Mega cap tech stocks advanced, with shares of Amazon, Google, and Meta each up over 2%. Tesla shares also rose 2%. Where is my food now? You don't get. The hell that is? Oh. Cussing, don't be cussing. So, as we know, guys, so enough about all that. Like I told you guys, we just need to see the outside core, what's going on with inflation, what the Fed's talking about. Not nothing too personal. We really want to know what's going on with that price action. What the numbers talking about? Bitcoin hovering over $30,000. Yesterday dipped back to the high 29s and jumped right back over 30. Went and touched that resistance at 30,300, 400. And if it break through it like it's looking like, this thing is ready to run to 31, 32,000. Bitcoin break through 32.5. This thing could shoot up thousands of dollars. So you already know, guys, and that's going to help the market push up as well. So the Dow rises at the PPI data. That's what came out and eased the market and let it be cooler than it was expecting. Sheesh. Yeah, the market pushing up severely. I love it. So as we can see, guys, Bitcoin at 30,400, Riot 1371. I told you guys in the chat it was gonna go from 12 to 14. Even after calling it, like, that was an amazing call out with that. Coinbase, amazing call out. Call that for the public at 59. It's now at 72, about to jump significantly. Look at your boy. I don't just talk about it. I'm in. I'm in. I'm up 1,000. Well, it was up 1,994. I'm about to sell that. We gotta go ahead and get up out of there. Let's see. I can keep my eyes on it for right now. Let's make sure, because it could push. If it pushed through 73, it's gonna. I just alerted in chat. If it pushed through 72, 50, somewhere up in this area, 72, 73, it could push up pretty good. BBY, it came down to 26 cents. I got my eyes on you. A nice little reversal, just a little. It could easily do 10, 20. I mean, 20, 30. 30%, 20, 30%. You just got to catch it at the right time and keep losses small. You see how I did it. VIP to witness. We got in at 30 cents. It dropped to 29. We got up out of there. And boom, if we would have held on, we would have been down significantly from 30 to 26. I got up at 29. So it's not just talking, it's actually he's keeping his losses small, very conservative, and his wins, he letting them ride. You see it with Coinbase. So you guys already know what to do. I love you guys. Hit your boy up on Instagram, the BHayes Show _. Hit me up for a 15-minute, 30-minute phone call. I love y'all. We out, and God bless y'all. We go.